Namaskar. Our face is the most exposed part of our body to the environment, and it is also the least covered part of our body. Hence, psychologically, we care for its appearance than any other part of our body. We want to have a very flawless skin, and we want to be feeling very clean and nice. But it may happen that our skin may have some or other problems. It may not be that even. Unevenness of our facial skin is quite common. This uneven skin is because of excessive melanin production, which is also called as hyperpigmentation. You sometimes see those black little rashes, what we call as jhai ho jana face pe. So something like this, that somewhere the skin is darkish with some more pigmentation, and that has to be removed. That will help us to have a flawless skin. So now let us see how to get rid of this uneven skin tone naturally. Number 1, we should exfoliate our skin regularly. Take half a spoon of tulsi leaf powder, half spoon of neem leaf powder, 1 spoon of multani mitti, and then try and mix it with rose water. Make a paste and apply that paste on your face. Keep it till it becomes completely dry. Keep it for 20 minutes, and once it is completely dry and it catches your skin tightly, then wash your face with warm water and then pat it with cold water. This would be a very good facial mask. Multani mitti is high in magnesium chloride, and it can really heal the sunburn. It removes the dead cells from the skin, and it helps in having a better facial smoothness. Neem and tulsi powder helps in shrinking the large pores, and so it helps in removing the impurities from the skin. It becomes a very good exfoliating factor for our skin. But let me tell you a little caution, that don't use this every day, because it would hurt your skin since you are exfoliating very regularly. Do it once in a week and that would be enough. Number 2, minimize your exposure to hot sun. Now, sun is so important. Sun has to go into your body for your bone health. But understand, for your facial skin, you need sun, but a sunrise morning time sun. You should look at the sun when it is rising. Very good for your eyes as well as good for your facial skin. But once it goes up, you should not expose yourself. Rather, in the afternoon strong sun, you should sit in sun with the back exposed to. And take sun on your back, take sun on your legs. This would help in a good health also, and your skin also would be protected. Number 3, asanas. You must do certain asanas to improve circulation on your face, head, neck. And here, there are certain asanas which should be done regularly. Among them, one is Sarvangasana, works wonders. Chakrasana, bending back and bending forward, works wonder. Konasana, where you are bending forward and looking up. Yogendra Konasana number 3. Trikonasana, bending back, bending forward, where your face looks up. These are beautiful postures which you are supposed to do regularly in your routine. When you do these asanas regularly, it would really help in improvised circulation on your face, correcting your every cell, removing the tension from every cell of your body, nourishing every cell of your face, and helps in removing all those unevenness from your face. Number 4, intaking essential nutrients. Among nutrients, give importance to vitamin C, a high dose. And here, person can take oranges, sweet lime, lemon and lemon juice, and many such other things which would help in vitamin C. See to it that all these nutrients you get every day for a good skin. Also, add selenium-rich food in your diet. Selenium can help protecting your skin from sun damage and age spots. A food like broccoli is rich in selenium, so have broccoli very regularly. Another factor which is very important is consumption of water. Water really hydrates your skin, but understand that you should take water whenever you are thirsty. Do not ignore your thirst. You must take water. Even a mild hydration can cause decolorization of your skin, and so intake of water is most important. Understand, skin is the reflection of your inner health. We have to focus on inner health. Skin do take care, but main is your internal self, your mind. When internally it is happy, calm, peaceful, then it reflects on your skin. When you are thinking positively, it really makes your skin glow. So try and understand that when you are talking about skin care, it is more your internal health which also should be taken care of. So try and take care of yourself well, externally as well as internally, and glow in life. Namaskar.